Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable phone number based two-step verification in your Apple ID without answering the security questions or without accessing the settings page for your Apple ID. Here is the brief introduction about the issue that the two-factor authentication required for my Apple account February 27, 2019. But I didn't enable the two-factor authentication to my Apple identifier and I continued to use Apple developer account without enabling the two-factor authentication. But in this year 2021, I faced trouble to log in my Apple developer account. It asked me to enable two-factor authentication before using the Apple developer account. So to add my phone number to enable two-factor authentication to my Apple ID, I had to answer the security question provided by me while creating the Apple ID, but I forgot the answers for my security questions, so I can't able to access my Apple My Account page. So I had to go for reset security questions, but my bad, that one also asked me to answer a security question in order to continue to reset the whole security questions. I think this is an interesting part of the problem that you have faced also. As usual with multiple tries, I'm not able to reset my security question. The error message tells cannot reset the security question. I hope this is the same error you had also. Now let's see the solution for this problem. In Google, type Xcode offline. You can find the link from the Stack Overflow at first and scroll down. Xcode is an integrated development environment which comes along with iOS simulator to simulate the program. We are going to use that iOS simulator. In this list, you have to download the appropriate version of the Xcode that is compatible to your macOS version. For me, I am using macOS Catalina 10.15.4, so I have to download Xcode version 12.4. Once you click that link, it will ask you to sign in with developer account. If you don't have another one, then you can create a new free developer account for this purpose. Once you installed Xcode IDE, open it and go to the menu Xcode, open developer tool and click simulator. Yeah, iOS simulator will open. Okay, in iOS simulator, open settings and you can notice the sign in to your iPhone. Click that and give your Apple ID email and password which is need two-factor authentication. Click next once you enter the password and this pop-up will appear. Click continue. It will ask you to enter phone number and select country code. I am going to select India because I am from India and give your phone number in the next text field. By default, verification usage is text message, so click next. Here you can enter your verification code. After you enter your verification code, the Apple ID is connected to the phone number for two-factor authentication. Please tap sign out button if you don't want to stay login into simulator after entering verification code. And now you are able to access your developer account or your Apple ID settings page by verifying the two-step authorization with your phone number. And now you are able to access your Apple ID. You can reset your security questions, whatever. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, if you need this kind of video in future, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.